Imagine a sunny beach, the smell of salt in the air, the sound of waves crashing against the shore. Paradise, right? Well, not so fast. Have you ever heard whispers of the paranormal in the most unexpected places? Those places that seem so ordinary, so devoid of the spooky, but hold secrets that chill you to the bone. Today, we're diving headfirst into these hidden corners of the world where the sun might shine on the surface, but shadows lurk beneath. What if I told you that even paradise can harbor ghosts? But before we dive into these spooky stories, let's ask a question that's been haunting us for centuries. Are these ghostly encounters just figments of our imagination, or are we truly encountering spirits from beyond the veil? Throughout our journey, we'll uncover fascinating tales of haunted beaches, eerie lighthouses, and historical mansions where the past refuses to stay buried. We'll explore the legends of the ghostly bride, searching for her lost love, the mischievous techie god playing tricks on unsuspecting visitors, and the spectral warriors who roam the land at night. So buckle up, the real seekers and curious minds. We're about to embark on a chilling adventure where the boundaries between reality and the unknown blur, leaving you questioning what you thought you knew about the world. Let's explore these 10 haunted beach towns where your photos might double as paranormal evidence. Pismo Beach, California. First up on our Creepshow Coastline countdown, Pismo Beach, California. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, Pismo? More like Snoozemo Beach, right? Tourist trap lovers? Well, think again, because this sleep seaside town comes with its very own vanishing hitchhiker, the Dolores Drive and Ghost. That's right, folks. I ain't talking no ordinary roadside roamer either. This scary spectral chick disappears faster than my ex's alimony checks, leaving joyriders more shaken than a palm tree in a hurricane. 1 second, she's thumbing a ride in her go-go boots. The next, poof, she's gone like summer romance on Labor Day. No word on whether she leaves a chill in the air or just a puddle in the back seat. Know what I mean? So next time you're cruising the PITH, looking for kicks, she might provide all the thrills and supernatural spills your basic beach vacay lacks. And if you're thinking of moving to this paranormal seaside haven, just be prepared for some ghostly visits from her, keeping you on your phantom scene toes. Up next on our freaky beachfront place list is Isle Royale, Michigan. Sure, this Lake Superior Island paradise boasts to die for views, but they just might thanks to the ghostly legend of the shipwreck of the Madeira. As the story goes, this spectral ship haunts Isle Royale's rocky shores with freaky phantom lights and eerie cries luring poor unsuspecting sailors straight to their watery graves. They say on foggy nights you can still hear the crew's agonizing moans as the island claims yet more victims for its ghostly ranks. So if you're thinking of moving to Isle Royale for those Instagram dream shots, just make sure to avoid boating near its treacherous stretches. Unless bumping into some angry new residents in the afterlife or perhaps joining them yourself sounds like an ideal way to spend your hereafter. I'd take Lakeside Ghost Host for $200. Boo! Next up on our creepy coastline tour is St. Augustine, Florida, America's oldest city. St. Augustine ain't your average sun and sand getaway. Sure, you got your Castillo de San Marcos and your tourist traps, but the real magic happens behind bars, literally. Yeah, I'm talking about the old city jail, folks. This ain't your grandma's haunted house. This is the OG, the baddest paranormal hotspot in town. Disembodied voices, check. Ghostly footsteps echoing through the halls. Double check. The apparition of a grumpy warden still enforcing his rules from beyond the grave. You bet your spooky soul. This jail ain't just for ghost-busting tourists, though. It's a haven for the adventurous souls, the history buffs with a penchant for the paranormal. Imagine waking up to the ghost of a former inmate whispering secrets in your ear, or feeling the cold touch of unseen hands on your back as you explore the prison's dark corners. Sounds like a thrill, right? Just make sure to pack your EMF detectors and an extra pair of Depends, because you might just need them. But here's the thing, jail ain't for the faint of heart. This ain't some Disneyland haunted mansion. This is the real deal. So before you pack your bags and move in next door to the spirits, ask yourself, are you brave enough to become a Ghostbuster resident? Are you prepared to become part of the old city jail's chilling legend? If so, then St. Augustine Spooky Street. Oh, wait. Just don't say we didn't warn you. Next on our list is Hodges, South Carolina. Leaving behind the historic charm of St. Augustine and the echoes of the old city jail, we journey south along the scenic Florida coastline. We trade the cobblestone streets and Spanish colonial architecture for the wide open expanse of the Atlantic Ocean and the blemished shores of Hodges. While St. Augustine captivates with its rich history and cultural tapestry, Hodges offers a different kind of enchantment. It's a place where the rhythm of the waves sets the pace and the ocean breeze whispers secrets to the sand. This quaint beach town beckons travelers seeking a laid-back atmosphere and a chance to reconnect with nature's beauty. For those who crave adventure, Hodges offers thrilling opportunities. Test your surfing skills on the rolling waves, explore the hidden wonders of the nearby maritime forests, or embark on a fishing expedition to reel in the bounty of the sea. As the sun dips below the horizon, paint the sky with vibrant hues and let the gentle melody of the ocean lull you into a state of tranquility. Here we come, Galveston Island, Texas.
Yeah.
tired of the same old boring beach towns with their vanilla sunsets and predictable waves, then ditch the flip-flops and pack your ghost-busting gear because we're heading to Galveston Island, Texas, where the sand is hot and the spirits are hotter. Forget your typical beach paradise. Out the Galveston Island ain't for the faint of heart. This ain't some serene sun-soaked sanctuary. This is where history meets hauntology in a head-spinning roller coaster ride of chills and thrills. You're strolling through the majestic halls of the Bishop's Palace, admiring the architecture, when bam, a disembodied laugh echoes through the corridor, sending shivers down your spine. You look around expecting to see a mischievous prankster, but all you find is an unsettling silence. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, folks. We're talking ghostly apparitions roaming the pleasure pier, unexplained lights flickering on and off in abandoned buildings, and whispers of the unknown carried on the salty breeze. It's like living in a real-life episode of your favorite ghost hunting show, except you're not just watching, you're a part of it. Yeah, so if you're ready to trade your boring beach towel for a paranormal adventure, Galveston Island is calling your name. Just make sure to pack your courage, your curiosity, and maybe a healthy dose of skepticism. You never know what spectral secrets await you around the next corner, or who you might bump into on your spooky strolls along the haunted shores of Galveston. Now, let's talk about Cape May, New Jersey. Sure, you've got your gingerbread cottages and quaint streets, perfect for an Instagram-worthy vacation, but beneath this seemingly idyllic facade lurks a secret world of the undead, waiting to be discovered by brave souls like you. We're talking about the Emlyn Physic Estate, folks. This historic mansion isn't just a museum of antique furniture and fancy wallpaper. It's a haunted hotspot where the past refuses to stay buried. The ghost of its former owner, along with her trusty spectral canine companion, are said to roam the halls, leaving visitors with goosebumps and a healthy dose of fear. Imagine waking up in the dead of night hearing the faint whispers of a woman and the eerie thump of phantom paws on the wooden floorboards. Or picture yourself strolling through the gardens only to be greeted by a ghostly apparition strolling the same path. It's like living in your own personal ghost story, except this one comes with a bed and breakfast. Yeah, so if you're looking for a vacation with a side of the supernatural, Cape May is calling your name. Just remember to pack your courage, your ghost hunting gear, and maybe a nightlight or two. Next stop, folks, Cannon Beach, Oregon. Swapping the charming streets and ghostly whispers of Cape May for the rugged coastline of Oregon, we venture north to Cannon Beach, while famous for its majestic haystack rock and the iconic Goonies house. Remember Goonies? I'm getting old. Jeez. This picturesque town harbors a secret that lurks beneath its surface. Forget idyllic sunset walks and romantic picnics on the beach. Cannon Beach boasts a darker side where the waves whisper tales of lost love and the wind carries the chilling cries of the unknown. Legend speaks of the ghostly bride, a spectral figure forever searching for her lost love along the shores. Her mournful cries echo through the night, a constant reminder of her tragic fate. And if you dare venture into the depths of Ecola State Park, prepare to experience a hotbed of paranormal activity. Reports of disembodied voices, unexplained shadows, and sudden drops in temperature paint a chilling picture of this seemingly serene park. So while the daytime sun paints Cannon Beach in a golden light, the shadows of the night reveal a different story. For those seeking a vacation with a touch of the supernatural, this coastal town promises to leave you with goosebumps and a thirst for more. On to Oahu, Hawaii. Yes, you've got your volcanic landscapes, your stunning beaches, and your iconic surfing waves. But beneath the surface of this tropical paradise lurks a hidden world of the supernatural. We're talking about the Polynesian Cultural Center, folks. This vibrant showcase of Polynesian culture isn't just a place to learn about traditional dances and crafts. It's a haunted hotspot where a mischievous tiki god is said to play tricks on unsuspecting visitors. Imagine watching a fire dance only to have a coconut mysteriously fall at your feet, or hearing a disembodied laugh echoing through the air. It's like stepping into a real-life episode of a spooky Hawaiian fable. But Oahu's chilling secrets don't end there. Head to the Waimea Valley and you'll enter the domain of the legendary Night Marchers. These ghostly warriors, clad in ancient armor and carrying torches, are said to roam the land at night, their rhythmic chanting echoing through the darkness. Imagine hiking through the lush rainforest, feeling the cool night air on your skin, when suddenly you hear the chilling sounds of approaching footsteps. It's enough to send shivers down the spine of even the most seasoned adventurer. So if you're looking for a vacation with a side of the supernatural, Oahu's hidden corners are calling your name. Just remember to pack your courage, your sense of humor. You'll need it to handle the mischievous tiki god, and maybe a protective charm or two or three. Southport, North Carolina. Leaving behind the lush rainforest and spectral warriors of Oahu, we sail across the Pacific Ocean, landing on the shores of Southport, North Carolina. This charming coastal town, nestled between the Atlantic Ocean and the Cape Fear River, boasts a history as rich as its seafood. But beneath its quaint facade lies a chilling secret waiting to be unraveled. The Old Baldy Lighthouse, a majestic sentinel standing guard over the harbor, holds more than just stunning views and historical artifacts. Legend has it that the ghost of a former lighthouse keeper, forever bound to his duty, haunts its hallowed halls. Yet some claim to hear his mournful cries echoing through the night, while others report seeing his spectral figure peering out from the lantern room. If you dare to climb the winding stairs to the top, Be prepared for an experience that will leave you breathless, and not just from the exertion. Imagine reaching the summit and feeling a sudden drop in temperature accompanied by the faint whispers of an unseen presence. Or picture yourself descending the stairs in the pale moonlight, feeling as if a pair of unseen eyes are following your every move. Southport's Old Baldy Lighthouse is not for the faint of heart. It's a place where history and the supernatural collide, creating a captivating atmosphere that will leave you both spooked and enthralled. So pack your camera, your flashlight, and maybe a dose of bravery. Isla Mujeres, Mexico. So let's embark on our final leg of this haunting coastal adventure. Isla Mujeres, Mexico. This island paradise, renowned for its vibrant coral reefs and laid-back atmosphere, holds a secret that lingers beneath its surface. The Hacienda Mundica, a majestic colonial mansion bathed in the golden glow of the Caribbean sun, offers more than just stunning architecture and historical exhibits. Whispers tell of a spectral past where the spirits of its former residents continue to roam the halls and gardens. Imagine strolling through the moon courtyard, only to hear disembodied laughter echoing through the air. Or picture yourself exploring the dimly lit rooms, feeling a sudden chill and the sensation of unseen eyes watching your every move. It's a place where the past and present intersect, creating an atmosphere that will leave you mesmerized and questioning the very nature of reality. So pack your swimsuit, your curiosity, and maybe a touch of skepticism. These haunted beach towns are waiting to be explored, promising an unforgettable adventure for those who dare to unlock their secrets. Just remember, some towns come with a side of terror, and you might be surprised by what the sand reveals if you're considering moving there. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, folks.